YouTube, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a different hair, so here I am sharing with you guys again. So this hair was sent to me by GOODEAR. I worked with them in the last video. I'll leave a link for the other video if you guys want to see it. So they sent me this hair and I love it. I've had a similar hair in the past, and so far I've always liked them. They're pretty nice and they're pretty easy to work with. They look really natural and the volume is always amazing. So here we are. So yeah, GOODEAR, it pretty much came in this pack right here. The hair came like this, like that, and it was pre-separated. So each hair was just about this amount, and they did it really nicely where you could just easily pull, which really helps a lot if you're putting this hair in, because you're gonna have a lot of like the hair getting stuck together. So this whole thing, how they divided it all together, was really, really nice. So yeah, this is the Afro spring twist hair in a 24-inch. I'm 5'10", as you guys can see, it's hitting me here. But the secret about this hair is you can take a blow dryer and, you know, blow it from afar and pull it, and it will get longer. So if you like the longer look, you can do that easily. So yeah, this is in the color T30, which I've had also in the past, and I love it. It's like a brown mixed in with like a little bit of black, most of the ends right here. So I really, really love this hair. It's just one of those hairs that's definitely on my list for my top like 5 crochet hairs. I should do a video on that to show you guys some of the hairs that I've really loved. So yeah, this is from GOODEAR from Amazon, and really, really like it. So I'll show you guys, get up close. So as you guys can see, so yeah, as I said, this is how the hair comes, right? What I did was actually take the time and twist all of them. Right here, this is not the best example, but this, I just saved this so I could show you guys. So you get 3 packs for about $20. My hair is big, so I ended up ordering additional hair, 3 more packs, so that I can get this volume. If your head is small, you can get away with the 3 packs, no problem. But for me, I needed more, so I ordered up more. I twisted the hair. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of how I did that. It honestly didn't take me that long. I'm pretty fast with twisting in hair. I've done it in the past, so I was like just going away and twisting them. So yeah, I twisted them to make the loop so I could do a crochet, and so this is what you end up with. Yeah, I really love the volume, and I love that this hair is that hair that always looks natural. Oh, excuse me guys. This hair that always looks natural, and over time it just gets better. So if you're going for that natural, like Afro, like kinky twist, like Marley almost, this is the hair for you. I really, really love this hair. And when I do that video, I'm gonna show you guys like my top 5 like hair from Amazon that I've used, that I'm just like, yes, they got it. They got this whole thing down. Like, yeah. So yeah, that's how it was, and it came in that, and I'm gonna show you guys a clip of how I put it in and all that stuff. Yeah, but this is what you get, and so far I love it. Too much water in this kind of hair. What you want to do is get a mousse. I have my usual mousse. This is a cheap one from Walmart that I always use. This is the Suave one, and oil sheen. This is pretty much all you're gonna really need. So oil sheen to keep it shiny and also to keep it smelling good, because over time, if you're sleeping with a bonnet and putting this in, use a bonnet of course, you're gonna have like sometimes weird smells and stuff like that when you wake up, you know. So make sure that you spray with the oil sheen to give it that nice smell. Use mousse instead of water to really tame any frizz that you have. Do not put too much water into this, because and I'm also gonna leave all the information for the Instagram page, how to order this hair, their Facebook page, so you guys can check them out. I've worked with them in the past, as I said, and so far really they're pretty really, really great, because their hair is really on point. You guys saw in the other video I had like a curly one that I did a crochet with. Loved it. So they really got this down, this whole hair for crochets. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.